Most people believe you need money to make money, but what if I told you you could start with $0 today? I know, it sounds wild, but I've been there. Staring at my bank balance, wishing I could just break through. Here's the real deal. You don't need stacks of cash to get started, you just need a plan. So here's my step-by-step blueprint for going from $0 to $10,000 online, even if you're starting from scratch. Step 1. Identify a skill or offer. This could be something you already know, maybe graphic design writing, social media, or even just your willingness to learn quickly. Can't think of anything? Leverage free tools like ChatGPT or Canva to help you get started. The point is, offer something people need. Step 2. Find a platform to monetize your skill. Fiverr and Upwork are perfect for freelancers. If you're into digital products, check out Gumroad. Want to promote products for a commission? Look into affiliate programs from Amazon or other brands. The goal is to get your first client, first sale, or first dollar online. That's the hardest part, but also the most exciting. Step 3. Build small income streams. And scale. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Try offering on multiple platforms or explore different services. Maybe you start out writing blog posts, but soon you're editing videos or running social media for a small business. As you grow, you'll spot what's working. Double down on that. Step 4. Reinvest into higher ROI ideas. Once you've got some cash coming in, don't just spend it. Reinvest in better tools, online courses, or maybe even paid ads to bring in more clients. Upgrade your skills, automate boring tasks, and keep leveling up. Step 5. Explore passive income options. Now that you're established, look into ways to earn while you sleep. Maybe it's launching a digital course, building a YouTube channel, or creating your own products. Passive income is the ultimate goal, but it starts with that first active dollar. Listen, you're only one decision away from changing your life. It's not about resources, it's about resourcefulness. You don't need permission or a fancy resume, you just need to start. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more real wealth strategies, and if you're ready to take the next step, watch my video on top 3 online side hustles for beginners. Let's make that $10,000 happen, starting now.